Hello everyone. In the last class we studied how to solve a linear equation. What is an equation? Equation is having some is equal to. I said carbon combines with the oxygen. It is an expression. Carbon combines with the oxygen to give carbon dioxide. It is an equation. 2 plus 5. It is an expression. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. It is an equation. So you understood the meaning of equation. And we solved the unknown. Maybe there was A, there was B, C, D and so on. There was some unknown and we found out the value of it. And today let us study some more about that solving the equations. So today's first question is solve 12p minus 5 is equal to 25. What to do? See, p is here with 12. So only that I keep this side. 12p is equal to, see, neatly you write down. Below is equal to sign, is equal to sign. 25 is already there. This minus 5 I have to take that side. So plus 5. So what do you get? 12p is equal to 30. So what is p? P is equal to 30. See, 12p means 12 into p. So what you have to do? You have to divide. Into will become divide. So 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. So p is equal to 5 by 2. P is equal to 5 by 2. So to verify that, is my answer correct? You can substitute here and you get 25. 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6s are. So 12 into, see, if at all verification, I will do verification only for one. Verification 12 into p is 5 by 2 minus 5. 2 1s are 2 6s are. 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 5, 25. Now next question is 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 18. We have already studied what is that? One rule, a plus a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. So it is called distributive property, isn't it? A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. So what do you get? 4 into m plus 4 into 3 is equal to 18. So what is the next step? 4m plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 18. So 4m is equal to 18 minus 12. So 4m is equal to 6. So m is equal to 6 divided by 4. Why it is multiplied? Here you have to divide. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So m is equal to 3 by 2. So very easily you can solve. So by the distributive property, you have to take out the bracket. When you take out the bracket, if there is plus sign in between, plus sign here. If there is minus sign here. You understand? Now let us solve some of the problems from the exercise. The first question is like this. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Only y is one variable and that is also with 2. So let us take that only to the left hand side. 2y is equal to 37 divided by 2. Here there is plus. So when you take out that side, minus 5 by 2. Right? So 2y is equal to 2 is the common denominator. 37 minus 5. So again 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 is 32 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 16s are. So 2y is equal to 16. Y is equal to 16. It is into, it is divided by 2 1s are 2 8s are. So y is equal to 8. Now let us do the next one. See, 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. So what is the next step? You only tell me. Only t is here, 5t. is equal to 10. It is plus 28, take that side, minus 28. So 5t is equal to 10 minus 28 is minus et. So t is equal to minus et. 5t means 5 into t. So go that side, divided by 5. This is the answer. Now, a divided by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. So what is the next step? A divided by 5 you keep as it is equal to 2. Here plus 3 take that side, minus 3. So a by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. I want a. A is equal to minus 1 is there. Here it is divided. So when you take that side, it is into. So a is equal to 5 ones are 5 minus 5. That is the answer. You understand? If you take that side, the sign changes. Plus to minus, minus to plus, into to division, division to into. Next question is q divided by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. So what is the next step? Q divided by 4 you keep this side is equal to 5 plus 7 goes that side minus 7. So q divided by 4 is equal to, don't be in a hurry, go very systematic way. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Now I want q. Q is equal to minus 2. Here it is divided, so take that side into. So q is equal to minus 8. Next. 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 5. I want x. X is equal to minus 5. Here 5 is multiplied. You have to divide. 2 is divided, so you have to multiply. So, or I can say x is equal to 5 by 2, x is equal to minus 5. 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 ones are. So x is equal to minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Next, here x is equal to 25 by 4. Right? 25 by 4. Here 5 by 2 is there. So here 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are. 2 ones are 2 2s are. So x is equal to 5 by 2. Whatever number is multiplied, you have to divide. Whatever number is divided, you have to multiply. That's all. Or you can find out the reciprocal. Now, look at this. 7m. So 7m, I keep this side is equal to 13. This one I take this side, minus 19 by 2. So, take the common denominator 2. 1 2s are, so 13 2s are 26 minus 19. So 7m is equal to 26 minus 19 is 7 divided by 2. So what is your next step? M is equal to 7 by 2. Here 7 is multiplied, here you have to divide. So 7 ones are 7 ones are. So what do you get? M is equal to half. Right? This is the answer for the first step. M is equal to half. Now, 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. So what is the next step? 6z is equal to minus 2 is there, plus 10 they take that side, minus 10. So 6z is equal to minus 12. Z is equal to minus 12. 6z means it is multiplied, so divide. So z is equal to 6 2s are minus 2. Now, 3l divided by 2 is there. So 3l I want is equal to 2 by 3. Here it is divided, so you multiply here. Right? So I want L is equal to, here it is multiplied, you divide. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So L 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So L is equal to 3 is multiplied, 3 is divided, 2 is divided, 2 is multiplied. So M is equal to, you cannot cancel. Instead, it becomes 4 by 9. The last question of the first name is 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So I do 2b by 3 is equal to 3 minus 5 plus 5. So what is the next step? Is equal to 8. Am I right? So I want b is equal to 8. 2 is multiplied, so divide. 3 is divided, so multiply. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So what is the answer? B is equal to 4 3s are 12. So 2 12s are 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Yes. So I hope you understood how to do. So second, third, fourth are almost same. Some of the sums I'll let me do. 5 questions in the Roman number 2. What is this? I can use distributive property. 2 into x, right? Plus 2 into 4, right? Is equal to 12. 2x plus 2 4s are 8 is equal to 12. So what is your next step? 2x is equal to 12 plus 8, I take that side, minus 8. So 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, right? So x is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 6 are 12, correct. Our answer is correct. Go to the next one. Same like that, 3 into n, if there is plus sign plus, if there is minus minus, 3 into 5 is equal to 21. So 3n minus 3 5s are 15 is equal to 21. 3n is equal to 21 plus 15. So 3n is equal to 36. n is equal to 36 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 12s are. So n is equal to 12. Now, similarly like that. 3 into n minus 3 into 5 is equal to minus 21. So 3n minus 15 is equal to minus 21. So 3n is equal to minus 21, minus 15 they take that side, plus 15. So 3n is equal to minus 21 plus 15 is minus 6. n is equal to minus 6. Here it is into divided by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. Right? So n is equal to minus 2. Go to this. Minus 4 into 2. Correct? Plus minus 4 into x. So minus 4 into x is equal to 8. So minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 4x is equal to 8. I want minus 4x, I want x. So you can do two ways. Either you can keep the variable here only, minus 4x is equal to 8. Minus 8, take that side, plus 8. So minus 4x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 divided by minus 4. Minus 4 goes that side. So, see, minus can be here in the numerator or the denominator. The answer is negative. So, x is equal to minus 4. Similarly, here it is 4 into 2 minus 4 into x is equal to 8. So, 4 2s are 8 minus 4x is equal to 8. Minus 4x you keep here only is equal to 8 plus 8. So minus 4x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 divided by minus 4. Correct? So 16 divided by minus 4 is minus 4. So this is the answer. I hope you understood. Let me go to the third one. The next few questions. First one, 4 is equal to take the bracket, 5p minus 5 into 2. Correct? So 4p is equal to 5p minus 5 2 is a 10. See, 5p is here, let that be there only. 5p is equal to 4 is here, right? Write on 4 minus 10, you bring this side, plus 10. Right? 4 plus 10, 14 is equal to 5p. So p is equal to 14 divided by 5, because into 5 you take this side. So p is equal to 14 divided by 5. Correct? This is the first one. What is the second one? Minus 4 is equal to, take out the bracket, 5p minus 5 into 2. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 5p minus 10. I want 5p, let it be here, it is positive, let it be there. Minus 4, minus 10, you take this side, plus 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6, is equal to 5p. So p is equal to 6. Here it is multiplied. 6 divided by 5. P is equal to 6 divided by 5. Third one. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3t plus 3 2s are 6. So 16 is equal to 4 plus 6, 10 plus 3t. I want 3t to be here only, it is positive, is equal to 16. 10 you bring this side, minus 10. So 16 minus 10, 6 is equal to 3t. So t is equal to 6 divided by 3. How much? T is equal to 2. You can write down t is equal to 2 is equal to t, or t is equal to 2. No problem. Now go to the last one. 4 plus 5 into p minus 5 into 1 is equal to 34. So what do you get? 4 plus 5p minus 5 is equal to 34. I want 5 to be here, is equal to 34. Plus 4 you take that side, minus 4. Minus 5 you take that side, plus 5. 34 minus 4, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. That is 5p is equal to 35. So therefore, p is equal to 35 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. P is equal to 7. Now here you see 0 is equal to 16. Take out the bracket. Plus 4m. 4 6 are minus 24. So 0 is equal to plus 16 minus 24 is how much? Minus 8 plus 4m. Right? So 4m is equal to 0 minus 8 to bring this side, plus 8. So 4m is equal to 8. So m is equal to 8 divided by 4. So m is equal to how much? 4 ones are 4 twos are 2. Now last one. Now the last question is like this. Construct equation with x is equal to 2. So x value should be 2. Suppose I say x plus 4. Let me put the value of x as 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So x plus 4 is equal to 6. That is one question. Let us do two more. Second one. 2x plus 8. What is x? I want 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 8, 12. Like that, you can frame many equations. I hope you understood all these, how to solve the problem. If you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.